There's a common language, and the DNA is the same. There's a common language that keeps us entangled, embroiled, and trapped in the despair that looks and smells like hopelessness every day. And the language of reinvention, rewiring, redemption, the language of mapping a new destiny, deciding we're going to be different, is the same no matter where we are. And I have those things in common with those schools. Those are my people, man. I speak that language. I share that DNA because I had the honor of serving as the leader of that school in the last district where I served. And I understand the pain. I understand cycles of hopelessness. I understand working with a staff who has been beaten down like whipped dogs. I understand working with a staff that has just lost all their confidence. And to sleep at night, all we can do, all we have left is to turn and, not with malice in our hearts, but look at the kids we serve. Look at the homes they come from. Look at the parents they have. Look at the families they come from. That becomes what gets us through the day. Our path to building a results-oriented culture of learning for all was wrought with challenges. But there was a path. There was a definite path, and it was well-defined. And every single time we had an opportunity to celebrate an improvement, a results-oriented improvement, I stopped and had us reflect on a couple of questions. The first one was, what changed? What changed between then and now that helped to bring about this improvement? And then we start naming some of the things that we've done in terms of best practice, instructional practice, some of the things we stopped doing. We would list some of our collective commitments that we're really focusing on. And then I get to the second question, which was, what hasn't changed? What hasn't changed at all? And time after time, the answer was the same. Our kids haven't changed. We have the same kids, same parents, same issues. The median income hasn't changed. The stuff they're dealing with outside school hasn't changed. But our results are changing. And every time we reflected that way, it just gave us another layer of confidence, another layer of efficacy in our efforts to understand we were the difference.